Dear teachers, my dear students and my friends, today I would like to teach you about the future perfect continuous tense. It is used to indicate a continuous action which will be done at a certain time in the future. What is the structure of future perfect continuous tense? Subject plus shall have been or will have been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus phrase. Here V1 plus ing is nothing but the fourth form of the verb such as the present participle. What are the clues that we have to remember in order to find the tense of the given statement which is in the future perfect continuous tense? Let us take some clues in order to remember this tense very carefully. By this time tomorrow, by this time the day after tomorrow, by this time next year, by this time next week, by this time next month, by next week, by next month, by next year, by July, by August, by September, etc. These are the clues that we have to remember while communicating by using the future perfect continuous tense in English. Let us take some examples which are related to the future perfect continuous tense. I shall have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. We shall have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. You will have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. They will have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. He will have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. It will have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. Arun will have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. Geeta will have been reading the newspaper for 5 minutes by next minute. Generally, we use the future perfect continuous tense to indicate the expectation of the duration in the future. In such a way, we can practice number of examples. Let us take some more examples which are related to the future perfect continuous tense in order to make you understand very obviously. I shall have been learning computer for 5 years by next year. We shall have been working in this office for 6 years by next year. You will have been playing cricket for 2 hours by next hour. They will have been speaking in Telugu for 5 years by next year. She will have been singing a song for 10 minutes by next minute. It will have been barking loudly for 10 minutes by next minute. Ravi will have been working in this office for 7 years by next year. In such a way, you can use this tense for the expectation of the duration in the future. Okay? In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.